So in this video, I have a box. Ooh, you can see that side, but you can see this side. Any guesses what this is? Who am I kidding? You already know by the title, you little cheater. So, those of you that don't know, I hate spending money, for one. And for two, I had to make this purchase. Let's just say that. So, I have had my iPhone since 2014. I love that noise, don't you? Let me just let you enjoy the noise part of this. This could be semi-ASMR here. I just love boxes, don't you? I haven't purchased one of these in a whole minute. Blah, blah, blah. I'm always scared to open these because once you open them, eats on. Wow. I thought I got gold. Does that look gold to you? I think they gave me white. Oh no. I don't know what to do. I can't tell if it looks gold or not, y'all. So, I don't have a screen protector. Wow. Wow. Eee! Yay. And what is this? Designed by Apple. I do not know what this is. Oh. I guess to get your Sims card out. Don't judge me. I'm not tech savvy, okay? Like I said in the beginning, or I didn't say in the beginning, I've had my cell phone since 2014, and it is hanging on by a thread, people. It's the iPhone 6 Plus, so that's why I had to get this one, because I wanted something equivalent. I wanted it to be same size. And my Canon is doing something funky, so I kind of wanted it for the camera purposes, which I'm super excited to see what that's going to be about. We have a charger. And then they always have a little something underneath. Let's see if they do. I'm probably not going to use it. I guess they don't. I thought it came with like a charger for the back, but I think you might have to buy that separately. Are you an Apple or a Galaxy? Or what other phones? Androids? I've always just been an Apple person. I find that it's easier just to be basic, and it's very intimidating to get like something different. You'd have to learn a whole new setup. But I don't have a screen protector on it yet, and I don't have a case, and I probably shouldn't be fondling around with this too much longer for that reason. I'm not clumsy, I just don't want to risk anything. So I'm going to go to Best Buy really fast, get that, and I will or will not see you in a bit. Thank you for unboxing this with me. This was kind of a pleasure. I can never get this on perfectly. We're going to put this back in the box because it is worthless until I can have it fully protected. Oh my gosh. So, as much as I love this, I'm going to put it back like so. How did it have? Oh, it's probably this way. Into the box it goes, because it is worthless until I have a screen protector and a case to make sure it is nice and safe. So I may or may not see you back in a bit. Don't know how necessary it would be for you to watch me get a screen protector and a case. So yeah. Thanks for watching. And go do something great for your body today, because health is wealth, people. I'm kind of going through a little bit of a funk right now. I'll explain later. It's really weighing down on my insanity, if you will. So, cute nails make it better though. Alright, talk to y'all later, and thanks for watching. Bye! Ooh, I love it so far. It's so pretty.